Hi, boys and girls. This is sight word practice for set 1. If you want to practice without the sound of my voice, or if you want to watch the practice videos that go along with each sight word, stop now and go to the slides with no sound. Okay? If you want to practice along with my voice, stay right here. First, for each sight word, we're going to read the word, then we're going to spell the word, and then read the word again, just like we do in class. After that, we will read the word in a sentence. We're going to point to each word as we read. I will read it first, and then you will have a chance to read it as well. And like I said, again, if you want to watch the video for extra practice, you can do that in the slides with no sound. Okay, so here we go. First word is down. D-O-W-N, down. Set it down. Now you try. Next word is go. G-O, go. The sentence, we go in the bus. Now you try. Here. H-E-R-E, here. Remember, if we take away the R-E, we just have he. But if we add the R and that silent E on the end, we have here. My cap is here. Now you try. Next word is my, M-Y, my. Here is my fun pup. Next word is no, N-O, no. I see no one in the tub. You read? Next word, to, T-O, to. I go to my house. Your turn. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. Where is my mom? You read? Get, G-E-T, get. I get in the mud. You read the sentence. Good job. He, H-E, he. Is he sad now? Your turn. Saw. This is a tricky one. Look what it starts with. S-A-W. Saw. We saw the raccoon. You read. Good job. She. Remember the SH makes the sh sound? S-H-E. She. She had a little rest. Your turn. They. There's that TH makes the the. T-H-E-Y. They. And I don't know why E-Y makes the A sound on the end of this word. It's just one of those tricky rules we have to remember. Are they mad at me? You read. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Yes, I like cake. Your turn. Buy. B-Y. Buy. It was hot by the fire. You read? Good job. Can't. Can't is a contraction. It's made up of the words can and not. Can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Can't. I can't fly because I don't have wings. Can't. Isn't. Another contraction made up of the word is and not. I-S-N apostrophe T. Isn't. Let's read the sentence. The water isn't going down the drain. You read? Good job, friends. You made it through all of the Set 1 sight words. Awesome job. Now, I challenge you to go back and practice any words that you found to be tricky or maybe some of those rule breakers. Go to the Slides Without Sound and watch some of those fun videos on the side, or there's also some songs, and on some words there's some books and stories that you can follow along to, either with the sound turned on or without the sound. Good luck, everybody.